Konnichiwa, Roxanne desu. Hajimemashite, yoroshiku onegai shimasu. It's been a while since I filmed a Japan crate video, but that's what we're gonna do today. One of the reasons I stopped filming them is because they keep coming in really late. I'm sure it's because of the pandemic, and well, I was like, by the time they come in, the month is over. So like, this is the June crate, and it's like the middle of July right now. But oh well. So I'm just gonna film it anyway. So I'm not gonna eat all of it because I am trying to lose weight. I've gained weight, so I want to lose a little bit, get a little bit fitter. So I'm just gonna show a bunch of them, and we'll try a couple. Alright, so we got this cool one. This is a Kit Kat I've never seen. An ocean salt, so that should be cool. We got some Momo peach flavor. I've had these before. They've come in Japan crate before. And I tend to not like these, but we'll see. This one looks tasty. Got some hard candy. I've had similar candies, or maybe the same candy, but this is basically just a gummy with some very sour, sweet sugar on it. It's good though. Yummy. Ooh, something sour, I'm guessing. Yeah. There's a lot of lemon stuff in here. This must be lemon themed. Oh, it's a little train. Toot-toot. I think this is peach flavor? Might be gum, I'm not sure. Oh, something else that's sour. Cool. I like sour stuff, so that is good. And we got lemon. Yep, see, I see a theme. Sour, lemon. Oh, that one thing was peach. Ah! We got this cute little guy. Aww. And these are, I've had these in here before. They're kind of like M&Ms. Mini fresh for that bad breath. I need to take those to work. I gotta wear a mask all day. I'm sure I have bad breath by the end of the day because of that. Oreo crispy. Super thin Oreo. Do they have it in? Maybe they're. Oh yeah, Sakura flavor. Tapioca milk tea. Ooh, this one's gonna be interesting. Roasted shrimp. I've tried shrimp chips from, we went to the international store, and they have shrimp chips. Not this one, so I don't know about this one. And we got Chip Star. Soy sauce. They're soy sauce flavor. Shoyu. Ah, shoyu, right? Shoyu. I need to start practicing my Japanese again. I'm thinking about learn Japanese videos since we can't actually travel right now. If you're interested in that, let me know in the comments. Alright, so I'm gonna pick some and taste, so I'll be right back. Okay, so I have picked 3 that I'm gonna try, and one of them is the Kit Kat, so I opened it. That white. It's sweet, white chocolate. There's only a hint of salt. That's really good. And I'm really hungry because I haven't eaten lunch yet. That's what I'm gonna do as soon as I'm done filming, is eat lunch. But that's good. It's mostly sweet, like white chocolate. The salt taste is super, super subtle. So now I'm gonna try these Sakura flavored Oreo. Nice to see Oreo getting in on the weird flavor train. And I always love how they do the individual packaging, even though it is kind of wasteful for the environment, but at the same time, now I can open this and then I still have 3 other packs that are gonna stay fresh. So it's good and it's bad. Oh, it's super thin. I can't even see hardly anything in there. Purple. So every time I eat something Sakura flavor, it's always different. Like, it kind of tastes like a very subtle grape flavor. But it's good. I like it. Okay. The last thing I'm gonna try is this. Pretty sure I'm not gonna like it, but we're gonna give it a try. And if you'd like me to try the other things later on in the month, let me know in the comments and I will pick a couple of them and try them. I just can't do all of them at once like I used to because one, I don't like doing that because oh gosh, no. Already the smell. Sorry, that completely distracted me. Yeah. I'm not gonna like this one. And like I said, I'm trying to lose weight. Okay, here we go. I completely forget what I was saying now because, ugh. All right. Oh, it's hard. It's like jerky. The taste is okay. I can taste soy sauce. Oh no. Oh no. After you eat it for a few minutes. No, I'm gonna get this taste out of it. I'm gonna eat the other Kit Kat. It's very fishy. Oh man. Maybe the cats will like it. You like it? It is attracting one of the cats. She came right over. Come here, baby. You like it? It smell like kitty food? Oh yeah. Maybe I'll give it to you. But yeah, I like some fish stuff. But oh my god. Not this one. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like and subscribe, and if you want to see the other things, me taste those, let me know in the comments, and I will see you later. Mata ne!